it will warn you with a warning message asking you to add more. If the solution runs out, you'll receive an error message that will prevent the use of the printer. From the time the warning first appears, you will have an estimated amount of around 168 prints that can be done under optimal printing conditions. Therefore, it is best that you always keep the solution on hand depending on your print volume. Should you receive the warning message and have no solution on hand, please order more. Please contact your dealer or brother representative in order to purchase more. Their part number for the cleaning solution is BGCX40E002K0052. You will need this in order to complete the replenishment process. Once you have the solution on hand and ready, you can proceed to refilling the solution tank. Start by pulling out the cleaning solution tank from the side of the printer. Next, open the flap lid of the tank, leaving the screen inside. Now remove the cap from the cleaning solution bottle and begin filling the tank. Be sure to take notice of the low line and the full line indicated on the tank. Only fill the tank to the full line. Do not fill the tank past this point. When filling, if you go past this point, it can be difficult to close the flap without liquid spills. Also, pushing the tank back can result in spills as well, so be sure not to overfill. Once full, close the cleaning solution bottle and store it for later use. Close the flap on the tank securely and slowly push the tank back into the printer until it stops. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.